Hi, I'm Mary with US Assure. The holidays are right around the corner, so you know what that means. Shopping, gift wrapping, cooking, and lots of family time. Now, I love my family dearly, but let's just say, thank goodness, this Friday is happy hour day. It's the perfect day for me to get ready for the holiday season and the chat with my sister. Who's hosting what, where, when? I hope it's not me. Before I talk with her, let's get down to some builder's risk business. You know that Zurich writes structures that are being remodeled. You might also know that we can cover the existing structure and the renovations in many, many cases. But what you might not know is the valuation that Zurich uses for the existing structure versus the renovations. Zurich uses actual cash value for the existing structure and replacement costs for the renovations, anything new going into the structure. Now, Zurich does not have an ACV calculator, so it's a good idea to maybe access a site like Marshall & Swift, or maybe even Google for an ACV real estate calculator. Now, it's a really, really good idea to have this conversation with your customer. Make sure you're setting their expectations. Well, enough about builder's risk. It's time for me to get ready for the conversation with my sister. Oh, goodness. Till next time. Let's top this off.